How to fix the Play Store sign in problem. In this video guys, we will talk about the solution of this problem on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here you have to search for Google Play Store. Open it like this and then go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK. Also go back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next? You have to go now and restart your phone, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.